Hello everybody, welcome back to my page or channel. And today I will show you how to crochet delicate flower that consists of quadruple treble crochet stitches. So if you don't know how to make such kind of stitches, you can learn from my step-by-step video tutorial. Here how my flowers look like. Please join me, write comment below the video what you will get. Likes my video. For this project you need to get some tools. For my flower I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and 100% mercerized cotton yarn. 169 meters and 50 grams. Let's begin. Make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready. Make 8 single crochet into the ring. Make a chain. I didn't use this chain, so let's count my single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have done 8 single crochet, and as you notice, while doing the single crochet, I remove my yarn along the ring. Then you can use sewing needle. I skip the first chain stitch, insert the hook into the first single crochet, make a slip stitch. My ring is ready. Let's make a round of chain spaces and stitches. Make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. Insert a first double crochet, then chain of 2 for the chain space. The yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first stitch, make double crochet. Then chain of 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next stitch, make double crochet. Chain of 2 and yarn over the hook and double crochet into the third stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Let's complete round 2. I did 2 chains and insert the hook into the third stitch at the beginning of this round by making a slip stitch. My round is done. Let's crochet a round of petals. It is going to be the third round. For the next round, make a chain. I didn't use this chain. Insert the hook into the chain space. Make single crochet. Then chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Work into the chain space. Make 5 quadruple treble crochet stitches. Yarn over the hook 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I do not finish this stitch. Then I am making 4 more such stitches. I do not finish all my stitches. Yarn over the hook 5 times, insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the third one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fourth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the fourth one. And the fifth one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well done. I have got all 5 stitches. I do not finish all stitches. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook. Here what we have. Insert the hook into the double crochet and make single crochet. So my petal is secured. So my petal is ready. Continue working. My cute flower has only 3 rounds, so you don't need spend a lot of time. Insert the hook into the chain space, make single crochet, then chain of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And make 5 quadruple treble crochet stitches, not finish. Yarn over the hook 5 times, insert the hook into the chain space, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. I do not finish all my stitches. 1. So continue working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 8 of them. Then I will show you how to join such flower together. After I have done the last petal, I insert the hook. Now insert the hook into the third chain stitch on the beginning of the previous round. And make single crochet. Well done. Then insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. My petals and the last round is done. So I have already cut off the yarn. So my such cute flower consists of only 2 rows. So my cute and simple flower consists of only 3 rounds. This is the front. And for example, I have done exact flower but using another color of yarn, that you can see how they look like in different colors. Each petal consists of 5 tall stitches, and I did quadruple treble 5 together for each petal. Don't be afraid to experiment. Please use your imagination, and I remind you that crochet is also part of art, so don't be afraid to experiment. This is my own pattern. I created it for less experienced crocheter. And you don't need to spend a lot of time for such kind of project. Don't forget to subscribe to my page or channel, follow me in social media, and of course crochet with me and learn more. You can find a lot of video tutorials on my YouTube channel, especially my own patterns. And please write comment below the video what you will get with my video tutorials. And of course, if you have questions or advices, please let me know in the comment. It was Elena Rugal. See you in the next video tutorials. Bye!